I'm Shanae, and this is Girl Talk with Shanae. And today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY hand sanitizer. Now, in this time that we are in, we know that there is the coronavirus that's going around, and people are panicking. Hand sanitizers in the shop are busy selling out, or they are literally sold out at certain shops already. So that's why I'm going to show you how to make your own at home. You might have these products at home, or you might not. It is very inexpensive. It is things that you can use for a lot of different things, and that is what I always look for, or try to do, to have one thing that's going to stretch for many different things. So yes, I'm going to show you how to do a DIY hand sanitizer. Going to need is simple things. It is, I've got the four different oils. I've got tea tree oil over here, and tea tree oil is an antibacterial and antifungal as well. It can be used for your hair, for your skin, nail fungus, for insect bites, for athlete's foot, for acne. There's many things you can use it. I use it for. I also use it just a few drops of it on your kitchen surfaces, and you can wipe it off with that as well. And then I've got lavender essential oil, which is an antiseptic and an anti-inflammatory, and it's for minor burns, for bug bites, for it's commonly used in aromatherapy as well. It's used for anxiety, for depression, for restlessness. So there's many things that you can use the lavender oil for as well. And then I've also got peppermint oil, or the peppermint essential oil, which is also, it treats a lot of a variety of conditions. It is also used for nausea, for if you have digestive issues, for the common cold, also for headaches. It relieves itchiness, muscle pains. It's also a flavoring agent in foods, and also used a lot in mouthwashes. And then I've got coconut oil, which is also antifungal and antibacterial, and it's also moisturizing. It also contains vitamin E and healthy fats. So if you're thinking that all these oils are going to make you feel oily, it doesn't. It absorbs very nicely into your skin. And yeah, the coconut oil is just also to soften the smell a bit, and also to give you a nice soft feeling on your hand. So firstly, cup of water, boiled. It's lukewarm at the moment, so the oils will, if my coconut oil, okay, now coconut oil is not, it's in a liquid form. So I use 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. 3, 4. And then I use about 10 to 15 drops of the essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here we go. And then that was the mint. It smells nice and fresh. And then I've got the tea tree oil, same amount of the tea tree oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here we go. And then last but not least, the lavender oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is the Discount brand of essential oils. It is about between 30 and 50 rand. I know the tea tree oil was a bit more, but yeah, like I said, you use very little of it, and there's many uses for it. So what I just do is, you'll see that let me see if I can do this, the oil is floating on top of the water, obviously. So what I do is I just mix it all, and I'll be throwing it into my little bottle here, spray bottle. So just rinse everything before the time to make sure that it's nice and clean, and then I throw it over. What you can also add is, if you have rubbing alcohol, if you want to use alcohol in there. I also saw that they use vodka in there, so maybe for my next one I'll buy a bottle of vodka. Mix it in there as well. If you don't have that, then you do have surgical spirits. You can put surgical spirits in there as well. But I'm just using the oils for now, and that's it. And that's all you need to do. And it is a nice, use it as a nice hand sanitizer. And if you would like me to make a video on the other different things I use these oils for as well, I use it for my dogs. um, if they've got little cuts and stuff, I use that to spray on there. So you'll see that it's, the oil layer will obviously be on top, but just before you use it, whoops, just before you use it, just, yeah, it's, the water's still a bit warm, so yeah, that's why it's spraying all over. But yeah, just use that on my hands. It's a nice fresh smell. You will feel an oily feeling before the time or while you're doing it, but it does absorb very nicely into the skin, and your hands is nice and clean. And remember that hand sanitizer is only used for emergencies, or not emergency purposes, but for when you don't have running water or clean water and soap. So don't substitute this for washing your hands with water and soap. If you have water and soap, you obviously use it. This is just your alternative. Like I said, there's different things I use. I use the same combination, but instead of using water, I use vinegar, and I use that as to wipe off surfaces, so it takes away if there's any funny smells. If you've got dogs in this, I've got a lot of dogs in the house, so if you've got dogs in the house, that is also nice, just to wherever they're sleeping also. If they made a little accident in the house, it takes away the smell immediately, and it gives you a nice clean sterile smell. So yeah, let me know if you would like me to make a video on that as well. And then I also use the same solution for wipes, so reusable wipes. I use cloth, and I make little wet wipes with it that I also use just to wipe off my hands, to wipe off little whatever, my makeup also. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope this is going to be helpful for you, um, and I hope that you could like and share my page, like and share this video, and help others. But that's it for now. I'm Shanae for Girl Talk with Shanae.